Hey, what's up YouTube? So just a quick update, since I'm not gonna be able to do the update I wanted to, but side view mirrors, I brought it to the shop, to a body shop, to paint it the same color as the car. This one I did it myself. The bracket looks nice, not perfect, not professional, but looks nice. This one in a second I'll show you what I did. I removed the light that came with it, which was like a regular light bulb, and I installed LEDs on it, just like I did on the side marker. Same thing on this side. Looks so much better. But now I can't even start the car because I broke the crank pulley. So my problem was the previous owner did a pulley delete. They removed this one. They did what do you call it, from the Z1 Motors kit, pulley delete kit, something like that. But it was like, belt was like really loose. It was like slipping a lot. Every time it was cold in the morning, you try to crank it up, you could hear the belt bad. So what I did is I bought it a new one, not a new one, but a used one. I installed it, but it was my bad. The spacer that comes over here, I removed it and it fell off and I couldn't find it. And for my bad luck, it fell off right behind the crank pulley. So when I went to start it, I heard some noise and then boom, crack. And then I turned it off like right away. So now I gotta buy a new one. So I'm gonna do something different though. I found that, oh my goodness, look what I forgot over here. So I found a kit, which I'm gonna replace this one, and I think it's this one if I remember. So, oh well, it's down for a week or two maybe. The problem is, it's gonna be to remove that bolt, the crank pulley bolt. That's gonna be an issue now. At least let me show you what I did with the lights. Over here, you guys saw it already. So now this side view mirror works as a running daylight, as a turning signal, just as the side marker does with the headlight, just like I did on my FX. It looks so much better. Not bad. This one came out nice. There's so much I wanted to do this car, but now I'm gonna have to wait. You guys remember last video I think, I'm not sure, don't remember now, 2 videos ago, when I saw the module to replace the factory turning signal from here to here, that this one would not turn on at all, not even when braking, turning, or lights on. Let me show you now. So now they're all on. So the only thing I did was, like, I had to take the tail light off, and I cut the wire from this one and I connected to this one. So now when I turn it on, it turns on also. So I'm not gonna have a problem, like, let's say when I bring to the inspection, oh, you have a burn light. That's not gonna happen. Yeah, just a quick update. Now I'm stuck with this. Ugh. Yeah, I'm gonna start like putting some, what do you call it, blaster on it. Little by little, a little bit more tomorrow. I'm gonna try to remove that bolt. Running daylights on. Side marker. And now it looks so much better. Next time when I have a chance, I'll show you guys. Thanks for watching.